And guess what? I'm back. I know I've been missing for about 3 months, but I have a good excuse. I'm expecting baby number 5. Yes, I have 4 girls right now, and baby number 5, she's due in December. I'll be having 5 girls. I can't believe it. Anyway, I have been missing soaping for 3 months. And since my morning sickness is gone, I'm ready to get back to work. I plan on finishing my Mythical Creatures collection. And I decided to start another series as well, which is going to be called What If? And basically this series is to inspire creativity and thinking outside the box, and hopefully invite some new soaping techniques, or maybe perfect on some old ones as well. So the soaping episode I'm going to do today is called What If I Pipe Inside the Soap? No, not piping on top, not piping on the side, but piping inside the soap. And I'm going to see what happens with different piping tips, and hopefully the outcome will turn good. If it doesn't, I'll show you the results anyway. Alright, see you in a little bit. I prepared my piping batter already beforehand, and now while that's thickening, I'm going to make the base. I want the base to be at a thin trace, and that way it'll be easy to put the piping inside the base. I added titanium dioxide to the milk and lye solution because the base will be completely white. The fragrance oil I'm using today is called Avo Bath. It is a citrusy smell that kind of smells like lemongrass and oranges. I'm using this one today because it decelerates trace and it smells amazing. This tip is a grass tip. I think it's a 233. And I'm just putting the piping bag all the way down to the bottom and squeezing it out slowly, wiggling it around a little bit. Uh-oh. I lost my tip inside the mold. Time to go fishing. Nope, that's not it. Yep, I guess I should have made the hole a little bit smaller when I was putting the piping tip inside the piping bag. It's alright, I'll just switch it to a different tip and put it in a new piping bag. The next piping tip I'm using is a 104, and it's a pedal tip, and I'm just pushing the piping bag all the way down to the bottom and swirling it up to the top. This piping tip is a star tip. It's back 24 hours later. And sorry I didn't cut it in front of the camera. I got frustrated taking it out of the mold. I forgot why I didn't use that small mold. Apparently the small mold, I have trouble getting it out. So anyway, here is the bar. And this is the result. I think it turned out pretty cool. Let me show you what this first, the writer's tip. I made that purple swirl there. And that is a number 3. This tip, which is a 233, or I call the grass tip, and that made all these cool dots here. This one, classic petal tip, 104, and that's the yellow. And the star tip, which I think is the best one, made these pink splashes. Let me get a different one and I'll show you. Look, it looks like paint splatter. And I think for my next soap, if I do this again, I'm going to make a black background, use the star tip, which is a 32, and do all different colors of this. And also, look, here's it straight on. You can see almost exactly the same thing. See? Perfect. And then let me show you the rest of the bars. I didn't use that much pink, so this is the side that I ran out of the pink on. I think I'm going to call this technique the piping swirl. And I'm calling this soap Scribbles. Because it I think it looks like scribbles that a child would do. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed experimenting with soap with me today. And my next video, I hope to continue the mythical creatures series and plan on doing mermaids. See you then.